Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the trial run of the EPS crusher deduster and rounder machine at our factory. In this test, we used white EPS blocks. If the blocks are large, they can be broken into 2 pieces for feeding. Through the video, you can clearly see the operation of the equipment. Finally, we present the EPS beads after crushing, dedusting, and rounding for your reference. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.